How to check active status on Instagram if hidden. Let's open Instagram app on your device. Then tap on Messenger icon from the top right corner. When someone is active, you will be able to see the green dot on their profile. But in order to see others' active status, first you need to enable your active status. In order to enable active status, go to your profile. Then tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. Now search messages and story replies. Select show active status from here. Now toggle this on to enable active status. If your friend has hidden their active status, the only way to check if they're online is by posting a story. Create a story to post. Then click on the Close Friends button. Choose a specific friend. After that, tap on Done button. Tap on Close Friends button. Now you need to keep checking your story view to see if they have seen your story. And that's it.